this is the living room area. Very big spacious kitchen area. Very spacious master bedroom with window ventilation. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. I am your virtual tour assistant Sunidhi Verma and we are at the actual site of DB Lakwen Vishista, which is located in Off-Whitefield, Hoskote Road, Kadugodi, Baladur Main Road, Bengaluru for sample flat tour. So guys, as you can see, we are at the actual sales office area. You can see the land parcel as well and neighborhood as well here. And well, we will go a lot in details, but first we will discuss a lot in details, but first of all, let you guys know what actually Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom price rate. Unless other listing platforms, which if you gonna make an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting in lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer and you can book your dream home through Housey with developer. So guys, let's talk about the project overview of this project named as DB Lakwen Vishista. So it has spreaded across 2 acres of land with 5 towers, and if we talk about the variants, it has 1 still floor plus ground floor and plus 3 upper floors. It has 2 BHK and 3 BHK. So guys, if we talk about the connectivity of this particular project, you will be getting a Whitefield metro station which is only 3.1 km away, a park mall space which is 2.3 km away, and a Baladur main road which is only 350 meters away. So guys, if we talk about the amenity, it has total more than 10 plus luxurious amenities like cricket net, jogging track, kids play area, swimming pools and many more. So guys, let me take you to the sample flat tour of this project. So guys, I am standing outside of this 2 BHK sample flat tour by DB Lakwen Vishista. Let's see what incredible it has. So this is the living room area after entrance. As you can see, very spacious, very big. Let me take you to the kitchen area as well. As you can see, you will be getting a very big spacious kitchen area here, and another space you can have your dining area as well, and directly connected to this running balcony area. As you can see, you will be getting another washing area over here as well. As you can see, you will be having a perfect balcony view with your neighborhoods as well. And let me take you to the common washroom area. As you can see, with wall to wall 55 tiles with all the bathroom wear settings you will be getting. Let me take you to the first room of this 2 BHK apartment. As you can see, a very spacious room with ventilation window over here. You will be getting a perfect sunlight window you will be getting here. So guys, let's have a look at the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey actually does for us. In Housey, it gives you actual location tour, and also in Housey you will be getting every sample flat tour, and in Housey it will be providing you the full all-inclusive pricing and EMI and down payments as well. And also Housey will give you 360-degree virtual project tour as well. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go and book your free visit. And now let's go and have a look at the master bedroom. So here you are able to see the very spacious master bedroom with window ventilation and attached running balcony as well. A very spacious running balcony you will be getting here, as you can see, and a perfect neighborhood area as well. And let me show you the attached bathroom over it. As you can see, this attached bathroom is very spacious with wall-to-wall vitrified tiles with all the requirements, bathroom beds as well. So guys, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour by DB Laquaine Vishishta. If you wanted to book this project, just register yourself on Housey.com, and if you wanted to book the e-brochures, then just go on the description link below, which is mentioned over the description box. And after all of this, we'll be back with another luxurious sample flat tour. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe, like for more updates.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.